Hey guys, this is the watch this video for Friday, October 21st. As always, starting off with a daily chart of the SPY, and pretty much had a flat open, an early rally, and then sold off. I think there was Fed speak going on, and the market just bled lower the rest of the day. Let me give a hat tip. I think Wayne, called FNGR, pointed out, and forgive me if someone else in chat pointed it out first, but I heard Wayne say it over the mic. FNGR topped out yesterday at 609, then this morning at 609, right? So then we had, by our definition, after the 609 touch here and then the pullback, we had a potential two-day high break on a recent high flyer, right? So 610 would be the idea. It was Wayne gave it out. There's the break, and it just really never looked back. Really nice call. And one more hat tip to me. I gave Peggy this morning. Had it on bounce watch. I'll take today's candle out of it. Remember, I talked about it being a recent high flyer, and now we're down like 4 or 5 days in a row right into the 20-day. How did I call it in chat this morning? When it looked like this, I noticed it topped out right around 4. I called it over 4. You're basically looking at 20 cents risk. There's the 4 break. Took a while to really get going, but it ended up going up to what, 530? That's one heck of a percentage gain too. So there's a couple calls from today from the chat room. What are we watching for Friday? AMPX. You had the big pop yesterday. Quiet inside day today, looking for a third day play if we get an A+ setup. MVST, kind of the same thing. SOBR, kind of wrote this off the other day when it sold off like this after gapping up. Next thing you know, it's right back up to these recent highs again. Super interesting. Just a breakout of this range. And you can't see it on this chart, but the 200-day is at 429. So if we get a breakout of this range, maybe we break the whole number 4. Maybe we test that 429 200-day. Certainly a nice looking chart. PEGY, I already talked about the call today in it by Wayne. Nice bounce today. It's a recent high flyer. Pretty strong close, so we're going to watch it again tomorrow. MGNX. I don't love this one. It's squinky to me, but on this gap up, again, they had really good news. Topped out around 420 and kind of flagging since then. So I do like it over that area. QNGY. This was a little weird to me, but big volume today. I'm going to look for a follow-through day tomorrow. Topped out at 220 before closing at 189-ish, I guess. So anyway, we're going to watch that one. RUM, Rumble. Remember I had it on bounce watch, what, 3 days ago? It did give a nice trade. And then 2 more ugly days now. They had some dilution in there, I believe. And then, what's it called? The Bear Cave put out a hit piece on him today. And then I saw Chris, I don't remember his last name. Anyway, CEO of Rumble. Forgive me, Chris. Anyway, came out refuting some of, or all of, or some of, I don't know what was in the Bear Cave report. It's already really beaten up anyway, so I am putting this on bounce watch back again tomorrow, even after that dilution. A couple more. CMA, which I believe is a bank. Just kind of getting that downside shape here. We're going to look for a potential bounce. And then AGFY, putting this one back on bounce watch. Big volume today. We'll find some gappers in the pre-market to add to this list. I'm going to keep it short and sweet, and I'll see everybody in the chat room on Friday morning.